You only trade what you've got, and you should look at the percentage return. How much actual money it is, the percentages are important. Because obviously you get the methodology right, you get the process right, your percentage will grow, so your pot will grow, the size of your fund will grow, and then it's self-fulfilling. But the most important point is get the process right and get the risk management right, and that we've got drilled into us at Goldman, get the risk right, and everything else will follow.
Definitely. And do you feel like time horizons is a big factor in that?
Oh yeah, completely. You've got to give everything time. I think looking for results too early, too quickly, or immediately, well, it's crazy. You've got to, just because you come up with an idea doesn't mean the market's going to think about it the same way today. And hopefully you're going to be right, but it's probably going to take some time to work out. So don't try and make money too short term.
And then equally as well, like the retail trader with their own smaller capital. As you say, focus on the percentages over time, that will play out.
Yeah.